So today we're gonna try to plug these bad boys in, and we're gonna try to plug a switch panel up in here. Let me turn the light for you guys to see. We gotta switch it. You got plug it in back there. But yep, these are the lights we're gonna put. You're gonna put in the right there A panel, and then I have a XL linkable light bar that I'm probably gonna put right there, but you won't get to that. I'm just trying to put the switch panel on first, so don't leave because I might need your guys' help because I have no patience. Alright, so before you guys get on my bumper, I was trying my best for like 3 nights in a row because this is the only time I have to be able to do it at night, and I just couldn't get it right. So I pulled up to the shop to have them do it. They were charging me $1,600, bro. $500 was in parts because I was gonna get new parts, and the rest, $900 was labor. Homie, stripping. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna put the other clip before this, but trying installing the lights didn't work out. I gave up. Well, I had everything ready to go, and whenever it was time to turn it on and make sure everything worked, it didn't. So I don't got time to mess with this stuff, so I'm here at and seeing how much they quote me. It's probably gonna be a good amount, but it's alright. Got the lights down there, a Bible, and Nico's knockout. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Finally, after watching this again over and over and over, I found a video that really helped, and I think it's gonna be the solution to all this. And I think I know what I was doing wrong. The fuse that was clicking into was wrong, and also where I was mounting the negative terminal. But now, I was feeling defeated last night because I thought I had everything done, but it didn't work. But now I am tripling down, and we're gonna make this work because you gotta keep trying. All right, stay with me. All right, so we got the switch panel installed, so this works. Whenever you turn it on, it's gonna turn on, right? But to wire this, you take this off. I had to put it back on because I had to close the door. But you take it off, pry this panel off. I just use one of these tools. Kabam! Cut it off. Then you, from the bottom, put this off, and you just screw it from the back. And then we're gonna attach this to the main wire, and we're gonna feed it down through here, right there, and through there. Starting at the night, the same thing right, Monday. Don't worry, I got a variant disabled plate, so doing good. Over here, we got the truck. We finally saw the lights after like 4 nights of working on it because it had a bunch of problems. But one night, everything clicked, so we got it done. We got the lights right here. They're just 3-inch. I was gonna put this light bar in front, but it didn't fit, so I'm gotta get a new one. I sold the other one. It was from China, so it doesn't really matter. I'm at a 7-Eleven. There's nobody here. Just a car parked on the far I don't know what they're doing, but there we go. You know, there's nobody in there. It's not even full. It's just brand new, so that's dope. We got this all for ourselves. I'm gonna turn on the light so you guys can see. As you guys can see, because I recorded driving on the way over here, it's pretty bright. So I had to tape this up because it was too bright. I got dimmers on. You can see that with the light. It's pretty bright. They're SAE or SEA, whatever, compliant lights. So technically, I could drive with these on. That's what I wanted, to be able to drive with the rain. Sometimes it gets bad, so it's pretty much all I wanted. I'm gonna put the clips of me driving and stuff here, but yeah, this is the beginning. Probably going to I'm gonna take a couple of pictures right now, and I'm gonna probably put it on the screen. And you guys got to follow the Instagram, man. I'm getting this truck ready to go in a 4-day like up north camping, overlanding. We got truck cab. Hopefully it gets here on time, and it's supposed to get here to the United States on the 17th. So hopefully it gets here on time, which I think it should be. And then I'm gonna get a light bar in front, and everything else is gonna wait. Maybe get a tune, maybe not, depends. But then after that, we're gonna go for the suspension, get some king shocks, maybe some long travel on it. But yeah, everything's just slowly coming up. I'm gonna try and make more content. Maybe some POV, some POV stuff. Take it off-roading like this. But yeah, right. Stay true. Make time for yourselves. My little message today is gonna be make time to get in the Bible, to get in the Word, because I've been making excuses and not having time, and I'm keep working at it too, because I do have time. Video cut out, but I don't know where I was. Stay in the Bible, so you guys know what you're reading. So when you go out there and hear stuff, you guys know if it's real or not. And God loves you guys. Stay true.
At the starting of the week, at some he talks you hear and speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. You could be sitting taking lunch, the news will hit you like a punch. It's only Tuesday.